Out the water exotics, yeah. We making this Miami, Florida trip to bring back these peacock bass. I got my wife with me.
Hello.
And then I got my brother, Jack Knife Fishing.
Jack Knife.
Jack Knife, we got everything packed and ready. We got all kind of snacks. It's about to be a 16-hour drive, but we gonna make it. Fishing poles, nets, we ready to go. About to cross over the Ohio River.
Trip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' go around the town. No, this way.
You sleep in the back? Hey, you see us out the water everywhere, Jack Knife in the back. Show him the shirt, Jack. We just passed the Tennessee sign. I'm sorry I ain't get to get it, but we just passed the Tennessee sign. A couple more states to go. A couple like. Just made it to Georgia. The Georgia sign. Just made it to Georgia. Yeah, we made it to Atlanta. Got about 8 more hours to be in Miami, Florida. Out the water, out the water. Out the water, we ain't doing this for nothing. R.I.P. Nipsey Hussle. We got about 6 more hours till we get Jack Knife driving us right now. Captain Jack driving, man. Out the water, we somewhere in Jacksonville, Florida. Bathroom break. We had a pilot. There's some kind of pilot somewhere out here in Jacksonville. I don't see no palm trees yet, but hey. Jack Knife. You never been in love like I've been in love.
And maybe you've never felt the things that I felt. But this is what I told my friend. I said that, you know, sometimes you get lonely.
You get lonely.
Stuff that don't she gave it. Oh my face.
I don't do this shit for nothing. Nipsey Hussle. Nipsey Hussle, I don't do this shit for nothing. Yeah, y'all. Break. Daytime now. Haven't been asleep. I don't know what time it is because I haven't looked at my phone, but I think it's like 9. Pro somewhere in Florida. Don't know where I'm at. Jack Knife Fishing with me. Bad. Captain Jack with me. Every kind of fish ever. Cause peacock bass. Damn. That's what I came down here for right there. Peacock. Hey babe, look how big this peacock bass is. Yeah, I'm starting off because where we live at, it's cold right now, so we can't really fish now. I can't really get my channel going like I want to, so that's what we drove down here.
What are you guys about?
We in Cincinnati, Ohio.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we just took this long drive. I'm supposed to be bringing some snakeheads and stuff back, so we got a car full of buckets and everything.
The snakeheads, they'll only be in like Broward County. Like, if you go any further south, they won't be there. There'll be peacocks everywhere. But what's cool though, like when you go down south, like into Miami, you get like jaguar cichlids.
I know, I seen it, Oscar cichlids.
Yeah.
I know. See, that's one of the reasons why we came down there. I was looking up to catch them all, guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Monster Mike and all of them.
Monster Mike, yeah.
Hook them in the mouth. Nah, you gotta come down there.
Oh yeah.
So where are the good spots at in Miami?
They're gonna be over like near Color Bay, Kendall. That's gonna be where you're wanting to focus. Is
Color Bay, Kendall.
Yep. Color Bay and
Yeah.
Kendall. Yeah.
Color Bay and Kendall.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep,
okay.
Color Bay
okay.
and Kendall. That's gonna be where you want to go. Yeah, there's a mall over there.
First canal down here. I don't know nothing about this area. I don't know, something about the Greenway rules or something. I don't know where we at. Too hot for me. Canal go for miles. First one, we down here. See what's under this bridge. Down here to Florida, Miami. We in Fort Lauderdale right now. That's where we staying at. Clear shit. I don't even feel like walking around it, man. But fish buckets everywhere, man. Cause I thought I was playing. This ain't nothing in here right now, but I got another one on the bottom. We just got these two. These two. I had to use them to put everything in there, but them gonna get filled up too. Nice spot. Nice atmosphere.
We go South Carolina last time. Almost got when I was drinking one day.
Damn, why I say go get home at 1 a.m.?
We stopped at 8. And ain't nobody rolling with me. And ain't nobody rolling.
At the bait shop early thing this morning. Coming up here to get shiners, BJ's bait and tackle. You can see me through the mirror. We down here. I need shiners today. What's up, boss?
You want to get some minnows?
I need shiners and minnows. Nah, we need. How much are the shiners, I see? We probably need. We need 3 dozen shiners. 3 dozen shiners and. You said what? A dozen? And we need 2 dozen minnows. That. Matter of fact, yeah, we need some minnows. What I about to ask you?
And we need night crawlers.
I think we need. But we ain't got another. We need a bucket or something. We need that bucket out the car, or you can get one of them plastic things for the minnows, or the foam things for the minnows. Huh? Oh no, he said we could put them all in the same bucket. Oh, we could.
Yeah, I'd put them in here with the pump, because how are you going to keep them alive?
Right. Oscar, out the water, Oscar. But that's pretty, bro. I told y'all. Got this red baby in the line, in the water over there. Got this baby in the water over there. Now I'm about to jig fish over here. I'm about to catch a monster. Show these boys how it's done.
About to catch some sucker fish.
Hey, I need somebody there, man.
I'm here.
Hey, give me your hand with this one. Don't let me go all the way. Damn, them motherfuckers moved, bro. They was big as hell. Big ass suckerfish, boy. I swear they was. Pretty mind secret. You can really like see the fish. You gotta get polarized glasses, guys. You can see the fish chasing the shiner, man. Like literally, you can see it. Beautiful. Gotta fill up this let me see this. Got a couple fish back here. Oscar, the mine cichlid. So I'm about to fill it up with some of this water right here. And we're about to go catch some more fish. My homemade fish trap. I'm about to put some bread in there. I made a little hole up on the top. Put some bread in there. I seen some kind of aquarium exotics. They looked real good. I see them over there in the you got them over there, man. These little brushes. You can see the peacocks, they right in your face, but they're not, you can't catch them now. They ain't biting. This is a shame, man. Yeah, we have Miss Afterwater right here. She's trying to get anything on there that she could get. Baby, you gotta stop cussing on camera, okay?
Well, get the damn camera off. You did.
Okay. She getting no more action on the camera, guys. Very beautiful. Bruh, I know every time I put the camera on, they be doing this. Every time I put the camera on, Brady doing this, man. Yeah, all right, shit, we about to go, bro. It's day 3. We on our way back to 186th Street by Rico Pan, a restaurant. We seen peacocks going so crazy out, so crazy over there. They just wasn't hitting the shiners. They gonna hit the shiners today, trust me. They gonna hit today. I mean, I'm gonna tell all the secrets. We ain't from here. You hear me, Jack and I? We ain't from here.
Hey, we'll tell you where we're going. We'll post video of where we're gonna be at. Right now, it's out the water. Exotics.
Out the water.
Doesn't matter the water, you'll see that too. Just stay tuned.
Just stay tuned. You want to tell them something?
No, I don't.
Yeah, that's the cusser, guys.
She just want to pay.
We was right here yesterday. We came back, but I got to find my way back to you, baby. You hear me? We was over here yesterday. I seen them peacocks there yesterday, y'all. Cause I gotta find my way back to you, baby. Getting this bucket for the, gotta get some water in this bucket. We caught a bunch of peacock bass. I had to transport them to the car. This the area it look like I'm in. Somewhere. Let's go. Fishing ain't easy, y'all. It's not easy. Fishing ain't easy. It's live though. Out the water exotics. This is what we go through. We're trying to get these fish, bring them back home. Them peacock bass are beautiful, man. Oh my God, they're beautiful. They're beautiful, man. Through streets, run across traffic with buckets of fish. Drilling. Where my poles go? Drilling. Mikey out here. Jackknife over there. Whew. Went down to Miami. Got real lucky. Caught some peacock bass. If y'all would have seen the way my wife was jumping up and down when she caught it, I'm gonna let her tell y'all about it.
Basically, I was fishing from off the bank with a shiner, and I threw it off the bank, let it sit there for a little minute, then you reel it in. And I had my, what kind of glasses? The Polaroid glasses. And
Polarized.
Yeah, polarized glasses, and you can see them, so you just basically just throw it down, let's wait a little bit, and if you don't see the fish, you wait till the fish get on it, bring it in.
I get the fish with somebody cute.
Get it out the water.
You gotta get it out the water. Now, bro, I need you to tell them, Jackknife, I need you to tell them a little bit about what happened down there with you. I heard you down there screaming. I was across the street. What happened?
When I had a peacock, I brought that motherfucker in, had it on land, and it slipped off the hook back into the water.
I heard you down there screaming, but I didn't know what you was saying.
You didn't hear me, you would
And
have
how
been
did that
there.
make you feel, Jackknife?
How did it make you feel, Jackknife?
I was overwhelmed. I'm not gonna lie to you.
What position was you in?
I was definitely overwhelmed.
What was you said you were down in the what's the name? You were down in the ditch?
Yeah, he was down in the ditch. Yeah, he said he was down in the ditch and he had to walk up the hill.
Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I was on one top of the tunnels that come out of the side of the canal.
Oh, the pipes that come out the side?
Yes. And I was actually reeling it back in, but I was reeling it slow, using the shiner. And he pretty much hooked this up.
Them glasses look good with that shirt, boy. You look good over there, Jackknife, man.
Oh yeah, these Ralphs right here.
It is Ralph's, not Ralph's,
Lauren.
but Ralph Lauren.
Not as much as you think. You get a full-time job, you got insurance, then you get benefits. Use all your benefits. That's what I do.
Hey, what's the name of this bait store again?
Bait 'em up.
Bait 'em up, y'all. Bait 'em up. Wow. This store, damn, them fire. Snake Creek, what connect? Oh, Snake Creek is a good one to go to.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the name of this bait store again?
Bait 'em up.
Bait 'em up, y'all. Bait 'em up. Wow. This store, damn, them fire.
Yeah, either that.
So we got fish here. We're gonna pull them on up. Wild caught fish.
Oh shit.
We have a struggle.
Having a real bad struggle. These motherfuckers. It's bad staying in here, bro.
They
Yeah,
too
we
aggressive.
getting the other ones. See what we got here. What is it?
Oh, man, that was a big ass mine. So these motherfuckers are
Mine
aggressive.
cichlid.
A mine cichlid. Mine cichlid. It's real pretty. It just ain't pretty
It
here.
ain't colored up right now.
Over there.
Hey, we need to bring back some water, y'all. This water's too cold.
Okay.
You even put the heater in there.
It don't work. I told y'all. No, I told y'all we only brought. Oh, this he about to be pretty. It's a pretty one right here.
Yes. Right there.
Another man said with you, pretty boy. On the bed.
Get into bed.
Pretty peacock.
Peacock bass.
Peacock.
Exotic fish.
What other one at right here? Damn, he big as hell, y'all.
Yeah.
Dang. Big boy, look at that. Huge peacock bass. Beautiful, beautiful species. Beautiful species.
Got a lot of color.
Out the water exotics, man. You know, we travel in the United States, catch fish, aquarium fish. Fishing, and I noticed that there's another pipe right across the street, right under the bridge. The bridge go across the street. I think I'm about to go put my pole over there and have one pole right here and one across the street. So just watch both of them. The pole in on this side of the street. Traffic. Check this line. See what I got over here. No bite over here, guys. No bite. Bait swimming real good. We cast it back out. One pole on this side of the street. Put the other one over here. I'm watching. So if I pole in, I got it. It's a little bit stiller. Water a little bit calmer. Yeah, I'm gonna throw my pole on over here too. Gotta fish in weird spots, man. Weird spots. Catch them peacock bass, y'all. We over here by the conch salad stand. Jackknife over there trying to get it in. Under the bridge. I'm under the bridge today, y'all. I think the Snakehead River. Something about a snakehead. So this is where I came. Snakehead, something under the bridge. Got my two poles in. It's kind of hard walking down here. Couldn't just walk up them stairs. You had to come around this way. We parked all the way over there. Had to come around this way. Got the fish in these buckets right here, Mayan cichlids and the peacock bass. It's time to go home. So how am I going to transport them home? so I can plug the heaters up while I'm driving and everything still work. Paralight. Look into it. It's very, very good. Look into the Paralight. Hey, before we load, then I need to take everything out. Time to leave. We're out of here. Packing it up. Off to the next adventure. We're going to the Maumee River. It's in Toledo, Ohio. Stay tuned.